So here's how to add a video on Wix. First up, let's head over to the wix.com website. And as you can see, we're already here. Now, click on Login or Get Started on the top right corner. And once you're logged in, this will be your dashboard. Now, if you go over to the left panel, you will get to see all of these options. Now, click on Edit Site on the top right. So once you're here on your Wix website editor page, go over to the left panel and click on the plus icon on the top, which is Add Elements. After that, you will get to see multiple options. Click on the search option and type in video. You will then get to see the video options available. Here, you can choose between all of these options. So let's go with Wix Video. Over here, you can scroll through and choose whichever element that you want. Then drag it onto your website page. Here, you can place it wherever you want. And as you can see, the Wix video is now being added. Once it's done, you will get to see something like this. Here, you can click on Manage Video to add your own video. And this way, you can add multiple videos onto your website. And that is exactly how to add video on Wix.